Is it raining in Portland, Maine? Is that quaint seaside town also under the same gray skies that cover eastern Kansas? I wonder at times as I ride the morning bus if the sky here really is the same as the one over there. The distance feels immutable at times, undeniable at others. And in those moments, I want nothing more than to hear your lips speak my name, with the soft exhale that precedes it. And maybe after you can tell me all the daily crises and intricate banalities. And all the while, I will remember the way you move your eyebrows as you speak, or the subtle laugh that imbues your sentences with warmth. So on this rainy day, I fantasize about calling you up, just to ask, is it raining in Portland, Maine?